Hey guys, to deal, turn to fix TikTok problem. This effect doesn't work with this device. So if you guys want to go ahead and solve this problem, that a specific effect is not working on your specific device on the TikTok application. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to solve this, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do to solve this issue is to double check our internet connections. If we are connected stably with our Wi-Fi, this could be a contributing issue as to why we are experiencing this problem. We need to go ahead and double check our connection with our Wi-Fi, and if you are actually experiencing some issues, you could also go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is gonna work better for you. Now, the last thing that we could also do to solve this issue is to go ahead and double check if we are using already the latest version of the TikTok application. So go ahead and launch the app stores, and I want you to search for TikTok and make sure that you are already using the latest version of TikTok. If you do have an update available and you were gonna have the best user experience possible. Now, that is all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.